Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the lighthouse shell. Cut a 20-25 cm base circle and a 30 cm x 8 cm tower strip. Score and bend to form a tube. Use a ruler and craft knife to make straight edges. Glue the tower seam with hot glue for fast curing. Once the tube stands, attach it to the base centered. This gives you structural stability so walls won't bow. Make sure to reinforce the joint inside with a 1/2. Now you sculpt the visible details. Cut a 1 cm high balcony strip and glue it around the tower top for scale accuracy. Construct an 8 cm lantern box with window openings. This is where you mount a small LED module and a coin cell holder. Wire neatly and secure under the lantern floor. Once done, paint the exterior white and apply 30 degrees red stripes using painter's tape so lines stay crisp. These finishes protect the cardboard and make the lighthouse read clearly from a distance. You finish by sealing all exposed edges with PVA or Mod Podge to waterproof and stiffen the cardboard. This prevents delamination when painted. Install a small motor or create a manual swivel under the lantern to simulate rotation, balancing the lantern so it turns smoothly. Test the LED and battery placement, then hide wiring inside the base for a clean look. If the lamp flickers, make sure contacts are clean and wires solid. Once fixed, your cardboard lighthouse is complete and display ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.